for speed, power, and portability, all in one e-bike? Meet the Jasion EB7 2.0 folding e-bike. With a powerful 750-watt motor, peaking at 1,200 watts, this bike hits speeds up to 28 miles per hour and climbs 25% hills like a champ. The 48-volt 10-amp-hour battery gives you a range of 22 to 55 miles per charge, perfect for commuting or weekend adventures. Ride in comfort with dual suspension and puncture-resistant fat tires that handle bumps and rough paths with ease. And when you're done, it folds down small to fit in your trunk, RV, or closet. Just 59 pounds. Stay safe with front and rear disc brakes, bright headlights, and a twist throttle that puts full control at your fingertips. Track your stats on the LCD display and even charge your phone while you ride. The Jasion EB7 2.0. Powerful, portable, ready for your next adventure.